For Junior's birthday this year, we celebrated big in the party pond with a GoPro. Everybody took turns. It's fun to get rainbows too. I can only do that with the hose.
Ew!
And this is part 2 of our fun in the sun on Junior's birthday. In Movie Maker, I multiplied this by 16. We put the GoPro in all kinds of places to do all kinds of tricks and see ourselves from all sorts of points of view. So here I put the GoPro right where the deep end begins. This was a fun point of view I'd never done before, so I slowed this down. This was real time. We put the GoPro flat on the bottom of the pool, looking up and swam over it. I multiplied the speed times 16 again. We were having so much fun. We only had one super soaker, but we still managed to do some damage. Both Junior and I could lounge on the bottom of the pool, and I could not. And we marveled at the sounds that the GoPro makes underneath the water. That is quite a splash. That was quite a splash. Oh, I need some. Coming in.
Well, guys, it was
Those
nice knowing y'all.
are not the best ones, but if you can make them work, that'd be great.
Oh, and they suck to your face.
Well, if they don't, then they'll leave. But these are good ones. These are the best.
Bye-bye, Cece.
In this third segment, we got used to wearing the goggles. I had 3 different pairs. Here's the GoPro on the middle step. I recorded in video mode real time. My older boys are better at ball butt rodeo than I am, for sure. In most of these segments, I multiplied times 16. There you go. We all played a little watermelon Velcro ball. Zai, you want it? In this little segment, Junior had a wardrobe malfunction that he fixed easily. This little segment was fun because the sun makes sparkles on the surface of the pool. I rescued 2 tiger beetles while they were visiting with us. Here's a snapshot of Sidley, who came to visit. At one point, I put the GoPro on the fence, aimed at Pride Rock Gardens and Maple Tree Mansion. I found me some flippers. The next day, Zai and I got in, played with flippers, and rescued beetles. Give it a little bit of shade. I have 3 new kinds of sunscreen, which I applied often, and I rescued one of those silly tiger beetles again. The honeybees were the worst, even though I moved all the hummingbird feeders far away from the pool. You want me to give you the GoPro strap and strap it to your head? Or just play with it? I'll go get the strap. Here's Zai, obviously having a good time playing with different angles and points of view.
Hello.
I multiplied this segment times 16 until dum dum dum. Zai lost her hair bow.
I found my hair tie.
You got what's up?
I found my hair tie. It's in the bottom of the pool right there.
Cece, who knows her pool very well already, to the rescue. Get that hair tie.
Right there.
In the deep end. We swam around for another 20 minutes or so. Zai with the GoPro on her forehead. Newsom coming in to take a dip. Until our tummies told us it was time for lunch. Well, what time you want to leave?
I can go anytime.
All right, we can go anytime.
I just need to take my medicines and I'm ready.
So that means we can be out of here by 12:45, 1 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 20 after 12.
Huh?
So that means we can leave within the hour. How's that?
Sure.
Uh-huh. So we can play for another 20 minutes and then take 20 minutes to get ready. What's the Mission Impossible theme? That's what we ought to be doing with the gun. Instead of Jaws. Mission Impossible.
Dun, 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 dun.
There it is.
Dun, 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 dun.
Diddle-oo, diddle-doo, diddle-doo.